Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Usain Bolt building that is under construction on Hope Road. Now this is the second building that he's building. He built one on Halfway Tree Road that is finished and it's open. It's being used by a call center. This one is right across from the Andrews Hospital, and as you can see, it's a massive building, bigger than the first one. And this one is also going to be used by a call center. As you can see, the way the building is built, it's the flat floors which are perfect for a call center layout, because they usually put cubicles on the floor and just have one open space with hundreds of cubicles on it. This building should be finished sometime next year. And this is actually one of three major developments going on Hope Road. This one is, as we said, across from the Andrews Hospital. And the other one, there's another building being built by the intersection of, I think that one is 80 Old Hope Road. But it's at the intersection of Hope Road, Lady Musgrave Road, and King's House Road. And that is East King's House Road. And it's a 10-floor building. It's going to be a commercial office space. It's a massive building. You can actually see the building when we finish with this tour. We're going to drive up Hope Road and you can see it. And then further up by Sovereign, there is another development going on. And that one is JMMB's building a branch or some offices, or building an office building across from Sovereign. So a lot of activity is going on Hope Road. Jamaica is just like booming with construction. Almost every road you go on in Jamaica, they have some sort of construction going on, whether it's residential or commercial. And a lot of buildings are going up for call centers now. That industry is doing extremely well in Jamaica. When they first started, they would take an existing building and remodel the floor to the call center layout. But now they are literally building buildings from scratch for the call centers. Alright guys, enjoy the tour of this building and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.